Okay, let's look at the crypto space. Ladi, what's happening there?
Well, Jimmy, talking about inflation rate ticking up in UK there. Well, the so-called inflation hedge, one of the hedges that analysts say is strong for, hedging against inflation, is down about $9,000 from the previous high, and there's still blood on the streets, and the crypto streets right now. We see the market cap there for the total crypto market is down 2%, down from the $3 trillion market hit the last time. It's now $2.59 trillion. We see 24-hour volume, $142.54 billion traded in the total crypto market, basically from the major sell-offs we see in the market there. Bitcoin dominance, 43.58%, is still hovering around that range. Price of Bitcoin, it's fallen below the 60K range. Now it's at 59,462 points. This is a major support right now. If this support breaks, we could be looking at $53,000. 24-hour volume, $42.23 billion traded in Bitcoin this morning. You see a rise in volume there compared to yesterday at this time. Price of Ethereum still above the 4,000 range, but some analysts are seeing it go below this point if Bitcoin continues to be volatile. At this point, it's down 3.77%. Volume traded $25.21 billion at 8 a.m. this morning. Let's look at the top walls for market cap there. We see it's all red there, but BNB there down 6.62%, below the 600 mark. It's now at $563. Cardano bitten below the $2 mark there. It's down 5%. Solana, $211, is down about 6%. And we see XRP. XRP seems to be inching below the $1 range at this point. Hopefully there's a bounce there somewhere. We see it's down 3.63% this morning. You know, the way the market goes, when Bitcoin goes down 5%, you see all these altcoins drop double figures, like to 20% to 30% at this point. So Bitcoin does dictate the pace for the market at this point. Top 5 gainers, we have Sandbox there, one of the metaverse ecosystems there, a gaming platform. It's up 25%. It's doing well regardless of Bitcoin's volatility. And we see WaxP, another blockchain with about 0% fees there. It's at 80 cents, down 9.24%. And we see Mana, another metaverse token there, $3.32. It's had an amazing run ever since Facebook announced that they were rebranding to Meta. We saw metaverse tokens surging there. Mana was trading about below $1 at that point. Now it's about $3.32. It's up 7.31%. And we have Leo there, $3.13, up 6.94%. And we have Curve at $3.91. Look at the top losers there. We see ARMA there, down 13.82% at $18. And Zcash, one of the privacy tokens there, at $155, down 13%. And KuCoin shares has had an amazing run. Early October, it was trading around $11 per token. It's had a nice surge, getting close to $30 before Bitcoin got volatile, hitting the price down there. It's down 11%, and we see PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap was sitting at $18 for the longest time, bitten down to $16, down 10%, and we see Litecoin there, $223, down 8.99%. Well, I think we have Gilbert. Hello, Gilbert. How's it going?
Yes, good morning.
Well, Gilbert, there's so much blood in the streets right now. I don't know how your portfolio is looking. What's going on?
Okay, despite there being a lot of blood in the streets, there also will buying activities taking place. As at yesterday, the third biggest will added 207 Bitcoin to its portfolio. The key point most people will miss is that this dip is a currency-based event. The breakout to the 69K zone on the 1 month needed a higher time frame retest for a breakout confirmation. So the question which most people will have is if this retest is over. But the answer is a probability-based answer, since retail investors always overreact to market volatility. We may see a little breakdown below this 1 month retest level before a continuation because retail investors will will always overreact to market events. But this may also be a trap for retail investors who may lose their position before the upside begins, and yet is also a re-entry position as well for retail investors. But I am still very bullish long on the market.
All right, Gilbert, still bullish regardless of the blood. Thank you so much, Gilbert. Enjoy the rest of your day.
And you too. Thank you.
All right, Chibi, there you have it. You know,
I remain bullish with Gilbert.
he remains bullish,
And
right?
I remain bullish.
And he says the whales are buying the dip. So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Well, we'll continue to track the market. It's interesting to, you know, get to see the ups and downs in these markets. Well, if you have the mind to take the risk, it's worth trying, I guess.
Financial advice.